Alright guys, we got a 2013 Toyota Highlander 3.5. This is the same thing as a '08. So we got a small problem, but it's a big job to fix. Check it out. Right there, look at that. Transfer case leak. There's a big one right there, a little drop, and there's some right there. So this thing right here, it drove in here. There's nothing going on with the noise or anything on this transfer case. So investigating on this area, this is where the transmission right there, this is transfer case. So there's nothing leaking on the output of the transmission, because if it's leaking, it will leak from this hole right here. There's nothing. This is all bone dry. Output seals. All right, there's an axle right there, right side axle, and there's the output seal from the transfer case. There's a little bit of condensation up on the front, but nothing leaking on the axle seal. So it's leaking from the front of this transfer case. So this is the engine right here, oil pan. This is transfer case, transmissions right there. So it looks like it's leaking from the front. So I'm suspecting that it could be two things leaking from this transfer case. On the top, there's a vent plug. It could be coming out from the vent. Maybe it's too much oil on this, or it could be this silicone gasket right here. This orange gasket, it goes all around to the front cover of this front diff. It could be that, because there's a little bit of condensation there. Same thing on the other side, and or could be leaking coming from the vent plug on the top, and it's just drained everything down here. What I'm gonna do is gonna clean this up. I'm gonna tighten all those bolts on that cover. I'm gonna tighten them up and then go for a drive, and let's see if it's gonna leak out. So stay tuned. Tell me what you guys think. It could be the gasket, silicone gasket on that cover, or it could be the vent plug. So let me know what you think.